Sister, NKWASIASEM. A minimum NDC government open power. I want Ghana for her. And a Uber Bejina Ghana for him say Ghana for two Abama. Now Ghana for two Abama. What the policy be beba policy in your friendly 24 hours economy policy. Ghana a Juma ba kunipa mi and celebrate me aye then ebet me aye. Ye be run shift. Inti Ghana for and two Abama. Now who NDC government umbra power. And a Ghana
I was for my money na makwaba Edba Ghana and Sem TV so. One more so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications. Say next time videos of this nature about so submit to my cabin so watch their waging or comment section or them. Say the money down if Mr. President. Maybe we be from Mr. President I measure also. Who text me Mr. President or comment section I measure also. Who see am TikTok na pay Mr. President I measure also sir. Kwa the baby agenda NPP. So the money in the opposition. So we are trying our possible best. Basically, Jan and the same TV channel also. They are what the new patriotic party Amenyokono. They are about power 2028. Inshallah. Dr. NKWASIASEM president. Now also the upper about be also Selkebi. Now my kaya you are John the money Muhammad the book at Neze Ebuidi. Ya many and for the Messiah, Dr. NKWASIASEM, the NS Assembly few. Now once again, may catch a gun and Mabuni and I said, I'm on your 7 a.m. Eh daachinti na ya amanyese me nya mprinting ya amanyese de wo ye bia no wo ye no adwo se nti daachi bia no would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? You shouldn't forget say politics no ya ma utumi say fa bedi manfo nanim ya ma utumi say fa be ye ohunhu yi it is all your software o ye ordinary Ghanaian we educationist, we medical doctor, we once I have more opportunity to serve public space, do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. And yes, I be a home bachelor.
Sister, NKWASIASEM, my sister. Sister, NKWASIASEM. A minimum NDC government open power. I want Ghana for her. And a Uber Bejina Ghana for him say Ghana for two Abama. Now Ghana for two Abama. What the policy be beba policy in your friendly 24 hours economy policy. Ghana a Juma ba kunipa mi and celebrate me aye then ebet me aye. Ye be run shift. Inti Ghana for and two Abama. Now who NDC government umbra power. And a Ghana for Asher policy ne kita wona hu ni say policy ne kita wo NDC government no a good policy ebetimi abo man Ghana and a wo magina so ahwe so de ato aba adiama wo NDC and a waba power wo ba power sa policy na wan kasa wo de bae no wo gya to ho ye hu policy no se ma president John Dramani Mahama atam policy no e de ahye ni kotokum on pese obeyi de ama Ghana for de minim. Ye bisa 24 hours economy policy na NDC yemu NDC for ye say Ghana for e bisa 24 hours economy project na policy na yemu NDC for ye say ye reset Ghana. The word reset ni jama yemu NDC for ye nti ase ye wahu. The word resetting Ghana no yemu NDC for particular no ye nti sa word na say. Because one team can't tell me say, who ye road, who build these schools, who build the hospitals. Now what friend reset or reset Ghana. Now such schools new road now what building now who friend is or reset Ghana no. NPP so be build DB. NPP ebe build DB. Inti sanka ye ka obi a or reset Ghana. Na NDC kon reset Ghana nka NPP no reset Ghana because NPP ba power no na ba tan ni sika wo mo di wo mo mako school NPP ba reset Ghana e ka tire Ghana fo hia say okay fine wo ye ba tan na wo ni sika wo di wo ba be ko school a ma si school di asi ho oman ni wo school di da nti make sure say wo ba no akọ school okọ school a me ni school fees eye free and also de another reset agenda by ebe ka kire Ghana for say okay Wo de uba no ko school wi a ebia wunni sika wo de obema wo ba no na wo de atodani adi na wonya hoden de aba school nti sesa na ete de a mesa so ama wo mo aduane free ni a wo ba atan wo be ye ne so wo be make sure say wo ba na nante afiri fie de aba school ho ombre school free o medidi free eno na ye fa ne resetting Ghana eno na ye fa ne te say wa resetting Ghana education. You bet me you see our word in the ama NPP policy no because we are resetting Ghana. But one team in can't me say NDC for school NPP for CB, NDC for aye kwanya, NPP for swaye bi, NDC for hospital sir, NPP for CB. One team you see our word and say you are resetting Ghana. It's wrong. Say NDC 4% that word resetting ebe mudia. One make sure say Wamu brochia, uko brochia. Wo ye worker, ye tua uka in hour. Inti hours a wo beye no, ene ye be hwe so die tua uka. Inti wo pe NDC 4% resetting agenda no. Resetting word no. E reflecting wamu nsemu dia, wamu make sure say sa law na e wo ho no. Wamu fambra Ghana ha. Na abani nse Ghana ni bia say eke afie de obe employ Ghana ni a yentua ne ka in hours yentua ne ka in hour bansa na sa police ni beba mu no abani make sure say abanya djuma biala ewo Ghana ha biala wa ba price a law no wo ye djuma wana wa be ye betua oka nti ye wo be hwe wa ho odin any hours wo betimi aye wo de sa police we ba na private sectors ne so ahwe so adia ye wo mo de sete wo ye wo mu nsisi Ghana for because and now make us say obi betimi aye adwuma from 6 to 6 a month ni akwa 1,000 to the amano eye nsisie into wo person that resetting word no e reflect to government there make sure say our police we be apply e wo Ghana wotimi apply na wo hye e ma sa ade we ye adwuma eno na obetimi afra ne resetting Ghana. What I say? And you know, bet me you see that English word resetting because what did be before Fraba NPP for new idea. To say send NPP for the free SHS buy na NDC for new idea no. The same price. The same price for NDC. It is NDC 4% sa word resetting year juma dia. One make sure so one would be before Fra Abbas. I don't know what the unique. And then obey me after resetting Ghana. But we see school NPP SCB, we see hospital NPP SCB. We know road NPP I be now my friend resetting Ghana.
Oh my no.
And the heart of Ghanaians in the direction. They'll turn in the direction of the person or the people who God has not appointed. And that will be what the spirits which will be riding black horses will do when they come to Ghana. They want things to be rough. That is what they will do. But the light which was departing and my siblings, at the time when the voice was speaking, and whilst my knees were grounded, they said to me, that is why we are going to speak through you to the nation in this time. Now that God has appointed you a prophet, because you have declared the intents of God and the mind of God to the nation, the spirits of the devil which will attempt to enter the nation.
You can sit here and say, under your 8 years, telescope cry yantimi anya day, Antomani so na minima dry, yantimi antobi, Obia provided ambulance for each constituency. A come out when who constituency be or one and I'm region who be. You sit on a Doom FM and say, for 8 years. Tell me that the Obia come any the cinema.
For ourselves. And when some of my party people say that when the tables turn, they will do the same, they are not playing.
Yes, it's wrong.
They are not playing. It will be escalated because people are writing it. People are noting it. And I started talking about this in 2025. When I said that, I admit, whenever there is a change in government, there were a lot of things, some of these things happen. Can we agree to put a stop to it?
Yes.
And say that enough is enough? Let's begin to halt some of these things. When I said that, some of my NDC friends agreed with me. Some too felt like, hey, we've come to power, we should continue. You think that you go and arrest somebody for speaking, and when the table turns, that person has forgotten about you. They will come after you in multiple fold, and we'll be having the same conversation. I am saying what I am saying today because when the table turns, and somebody in my party is doing it to you, I can still speak because I'm speaking against it now, and I spoke against it then. Why are we doing this to ourselves, Alfred?
Okay.
That we say we have a law that says that nobody is above the law, including the judge. Well, we know in this country when judges took goats and money as bribes and skilled judgment. Have you gone to the magistrate court and the small courts in the district before? I was an MC. There were occasions that I went to those courts. You weep when you see how citizens are being treated in those places where there are small lawyers, and some of them don't even have representation. So the reality is that indeed there can be judges that can be political. They are not above the law. If you are a judge and I have a case before you, and I think that you are singling me out and you are trying to use your position to come after me, there is a law that allows me to call you out and even petition and get you removed. So if for whatever reason you think that somebody has said that a certain judge is a political judge, it is not the police that comes to arrest the person and throws the person to jail. I am saying this because I'm saying this not because I support what the person has said. Hear me well. I am saying that whether you are the president, you are the chief justice, you are whatever it is, when somebody comes after your person or your integrity, the laws are there. It doesn't include police kidnapping me and putting me in jail. It says that I should take you on and let you prove how I became political. And if you fail to do that, the laws will punish you, which if it includes jailing, you are jailed. But the situation where we find ourselves today, that if the thing goes against people in government, then we weaponize it and call it hate speech and peddling falsehood. That is the danger that Miracles, I am worried about, and I think Eduji should also worry about. Now, Alfred, let's look at all the 17 issues. None of them are issues that Miracles will say with my mouth, or would even go into a meeting and tell my party person to say it. But the question is, since when did it become a crime? The things they've said. We're in this country, when Eduji and his party, including senior members of this government, were on the street, the communications officer of the NDC, Sami Jemfi, saying exactly what this lady has said today. In fact, what this lady has said today that she said, Kuna na do mami, eradie kuna na do mami.
And we sang it against
mami, eradie kuna na do mami.
So why is it not a crime?
Why? There is a gentleman who sits, what's his name? There's a gentleman who sits on Wezo TV also. He said it in plain language that he is surprised that another is not dead. And that God should kill him in a plane crash. So today, if you are showing me,
so how should all these be dealt with?
No. So I'm saying that if you are showing me, so if you are showing me these cases, and today you are in government, your conversation shouldn't be that they've done something. The law should. You are hypocrites, because when you are in opposition, similar cases, you spoke against it, and the president today wrote a letter to Ecofado. All the cases are listed in the letter. I'll give it to you. I can give it to you to share.
No, you condemn all these statements. You say these statements, even if they were said by persons within the party, your party, you don't associate with them. How do we address it?
No.
Because it's an issue.
Let's agree. Let's agree that we have a difference between morality and crime.
Yes.
Absolutely.
I am a Methodist.
Civil wrong.
Okay, I have went to Sunday school, went through. I can disagree with you. I can debate with you. I'll never insult you. It doesn't mean that another person doesn't reserve the right to insult you. That is his business. For some other citizens, they want to insult you.
What they do.
The point is, if I insult you, is it a crime? If I say you, the judge, you are political, there's no crime. I'm not supposed to be in jail for even 30 minutes. I'm supposed to be sued by you.
Yes.
You understand what I'm saying? If I say that the GOS should kill the president, I would never say that in my life. Never in my life would I say that. But if somebody says that the GOS should kill the president, it is not a crime.
Oh, I wish you are there.
Or I wish that Eduji is dead. It is not a crime. If Eduji, even for whatever reason, feels slanted, it is not up to the Ghana police
chairman.
To go and bundle the person.
Former NCA board chairman.
Eduji.
Only a member of this government went to complain